Hello, I want to walk you guys through what you were doing on this Friday, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to listen to a read aloud, okay? This read aloud is called Nouns and Verbs Have a Field Day. So we have been talking in class about nouns versus verbs. So I want you to pay attention during the story because you're going to answer just two questions, okay? So after you're done listening to the story, you're going to come over here to the slide number 3 and you're going to answer this. It says, what is a noun? Okay, is it A, something you do, B, a place, C, a person, place, thing, or animal? And then number 2 says, what is a verb? Is it a person, thing, or something that you can do? So you're going to take these circles over here and you're going to move them over the correct answer, okay? That's all you have to do for this one. The next slide says, go to your class link and click on iReady, okay, and choose reading for 15 minutes. So you're going to complete a couple of iReady lessons and I just ask you to be on it for 15 minutes for reading. And then you're going to go to your class link again and you're going to go to iReady and you're going to choose math for 15 minutes. So do a couple of math lessons for 15 minutes. And then the next thing I want you to do is click on this mystery science video. I'm going to click on it so that you guys can see. You just click on that link, okay? And in this video, you're going to learn about why are pumpkins so popular every fall, okay? You're going to watch that video. That's all you have to do for that one, okay? And then the last thing you're going to do today is you're going to go to our Scholastic News. So you're going to click on the link. This is a little bit different than what you were doing before, okay? And you should receive, give me just a second, guys. You should receive in your red folder, you're going to receive your Scholastic News. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to do the firefighting team, okay? So you're going to click on the firefighting team and you are going to click on listen and read down here. And then you're going to follow along in your Scholastic News, and if you press read aloud up here on the speaker, it will actually read the Scholastic News to you. And if you press these arrows over here, it is going to read the Scholastic News to you. You got to just make sure that you're pressing read aloud, okay, up there. And then here is the back of the read aloud, okay? So it just, on your actual Scholastic News, you're going to answer the questions, okay? So you're going to answer all of these questions and it will read it to you, okay? You do not have to give these back to me this month. If you want to, that's fine, but you do not have to, okay? All right, I'm going to go back, but I believe that's it, okay? So again, you are listening to the read aloud. You're doing just some 2 questions about noun versus verb. You're getting on iReady reading for 15 minutes, iReady math for 15 minutes. You're going to mystery science and watching about pumpkins. And then the last thing you're going to do is go to Scholastic News, okay? And I will fix this link so whenever you click on it, it will take you right to the read aloud, okay? That is it for today. Have fun on your Friday.